Did you know that defaulting on an education loan can impact your financial future for years? It can affect your credit score, career opportunities, and even your ability to take future loans. But don't panic. If you are struggling to repay your education loan, there are some solutions that can help you get back on track without ruining your financial future. Hi everyone, I'm Simran, co-founder at EpicRed and your trusted guide through the education loan process. In today's video, we will cover what counts as a loan default, the consequences of defaulting on an education loan, how to fix a default and get back on track, legal protections and the loan restructuring options. And stay with me till the end because I'll share a special tip that can help you avoid default even if you are struggling financially. So let's get started. A loan default happens when you fail to make EMI payments for a prolonged period, usually 90 days or more. Lenders may initially classify your loan as delinquent if you miss a few payments, but if you continue to not pay, it becomes a loan default. Once your loan defaults, the lender may report it to the credit bureaus, which will damage your credit score and start with the legal proceedings to recover the amount. They can also take action against your co-applicant. But before we get into solutions, let's talk about how bad things can go if you don't take action on time. If you ignore your loan payments, here is what happens. First, major drop in the credit score. That is, your credit score will drop significantly, making it harder to get future loans for things like buying a house, car, or even getting a credit card. A low credit score can take years to recover, so avoiding default is very crucial. Second, in case you default the education loan, your co-applicant will be held responsible for repaying the amount. This means that their credit score will drop and the lender can demand payments from them. Along with this, they may also struggle to get other loans in the future. Many students don't realize this, but defaulting affects their entire family. Third, legal action by the bank or the NBFC. If you continue not paying, the lender may send legal notices demanding the repayment, and they can file a case against you under SAR-FAESI Act for the secured loan. And along with this, they can seize any collateral like property, FD or asset that was given as security. Banks and NBFCs do not immediately go to the court, but they will take action if you keep avoiding the payment. Fourth, difficulty in traveling abroad. Many students plan to settle or work abroad after the studies, but a loan default can create problems with their visa approval, work permit processing, and their background checks by the employer. Many countries, including the US, Canada, UK, check your financial records before granting work or study visas. A loan default can impact your future plans. Fifth, loan recovery agents may get involved. In extreme cases, the lender may assign recovery agents to recover the dues. While lenders must follow the RBI guidelines and cannot harass you, this can still be stressful. If you ever face harassment from the loan recovery agents, you can report it to the RBI or the banking ombudsman immediately. If you have already defaulted, don't panic. There are ways to fix the situation. Let's go through them one by one. First, contact your lender immediately. The worst thing you can do is ignore the bank's calls or emails. Instead, reach out to them and explain your financial situation. Request a repayment plan that suits you. Ask for options like EMI restructuring or deferment. Most lenders prefer helping you rather than taking legal action. Second, consider refinancing the loan. If your current EMI is too high, you can refinance your education loan from one lender to another with a lower interest rate and with a longer repayment tenure, so that you get better loan terms from another lender. At EpicRed, we help borrowers compare 15 plus lenders to find the best refinancing deal for free. Third, make partial payments to reduce the loan burden. If full EMI payments feel impossible, try making partial payments instead of skipping them entirely. Even small payments show the lender that you are trying, which reduces the chances of legal action. Fourth, check for the government relief program. In some cases, the government offers interest subsidies for the eligible borrowers, and there are some debt relief programs for the economically weaker students. You can check with your lender or visit the National Credit Guarantee Trust for the assistance program. So now let's understand how you can avoid the loan default in future. Even if you haven't defaulted yet, here is how you can stay financially safe. First, set up auto debit for the EMI payments. This ensures that you never miss a payment and avoid late fees. Second, prioritize your loan payments over other expenses. Avoid any unnecessary spending until your EMIs are under control. Third, use EMI calculator to plan your finances. You can always check Epicredit's EMI calculator and check how much you owe before taking a loan. So to sum it up, defaulting on an education loan can seriously impact your credit score, future loans and even visa approvals. If you are struggling, talk to your lender and explore options like restructuring, refinancing or moratorium extensions. Avoid ignoring your EMIs. Taking action early can prevent legal trouble. If you need any help refinancing or restructuring your education loan, visit epicredit.in today and we will connect you with the best options, and that too at free of cost. If you face any problem, you can directly reach out to our expert loan counselors and they will guide you through the process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more education loan tips. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.